You want to go outside? Let's go admire my work. That's what they want to do. They want to admire my work. He's taking a piss. He's going to sniff it and then probably pee on it. I got the 3 posts in. Let's do some level checking. They're not completely full. They're about 80% full. None of it's tamped yet. Just going to let them settle for a couple of days. It's good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Posts aren't exactly almost plumb that way, but less plumb when I go this way. What I'm more concerned about, got a straight edge at the bottom. I'm out about 3/16 of an inch on that one, and they're all squared off to my plumb edge. Just gonna let that sit for a couple of days. Let me put the camera down. Gonna put a level on the top and check for height. I'm more concerned about the top. These posts aren't straight, so the bottom's a little bit out of whack now, but I've twisted them to square them off. Gotta twist that one a little bit more. Haven't tamped yet. Gonna twist that one a little bit more that way. And I gotta twist that one a little bit more that way. And then I'm gonna tamp. I'm being picky because there's gonna be a swivel point right here. These panels are 6.5 feet long, and they're going this way, vertical this way. And there's probably gonna be 2.5 to 3 feet of panel sticking up right here. I think I'm gonna go 2 feet, that way there's more weight on that side. But I wanna minimize how much weight is on that side, because with gravity, all 3 of these posts are probably gonna tilt that way. Looks good though. There's gonna be a 2x4, maybe a 2x6 on the inside here. And then a brace going down here, adjustable. I shall install that for the longest way, which is for summertime. And then winter tilt, I'm gonna have a board sticking out here. I'm not liking that. I might have to do the adjustment at the front. We'll see, I'll figure it out. And there's the unit. I don't need heat and I don't need cooling right now. There's a direct DC input. Focus that for you. Running this off 120 volts AC, 60 hertz is optional. There's the new 14, actually 10.3, that's a number 10 gauge, 240 volt. I'm only going to use L1 or L2 to get the 120 to this. And it's labeled 110. It's a Chinese knockoff. There's the voltage. I don't know if you could see that. Let me focus that for you. I can't see it from here. I think it's 110 to 120. 50 hertz, it runs fine on 60 hertz. This is all pretty close. It's even by compensating, by twisting and whatnot, this looks nice and straight. Look at it. Just look at it.